Hello, friends. My name is Manas, and I'm a seasoned IT professional with over 25 years' experience across multiple MNCs. And throughout my career, I have gained extensive knowledge on technical skills as well as domain skills. And technically, I was working in assembly, C, C++, Java, Python, Spark, Scala, and other frameworks like Spring Framework, Hibernate, other things as well. And I am being postgraduate in computer application, and now I'm excited to share my experience and expertise on technical side by giving training to next generation of IT professionals. I am passionate about helping others learn and grow in their career by mentoring them in career guidance as well as giving training on different technical skills. And I can make a positive impact in the industry as well as the people career. My goal is to provide training that includes solving important problem that will help you to resolve your problem in projects like projects. I would make this training engaging, effective, and empowering individuals to achieve their full potential in the field of IT. If you are looking to enhance your IT skills and if you are interested in career in IT, I would love to help and guide you on your journey in the IT field. And let us work together to achieve your goals and make a difference in the world of technology. Then, why training? The reason for training is it is more interactive. You will get immediate queries, and it will get resolved immediately. And if not, then maybe I will take it up and come back to you. So training is the mode of communication for interactive learning, and that's where we can share my experience knowledge related to technology as well as management, because I work both on management as well as technology. And my training modules specifically will include data structure algorithm, OOPS concept, problem solving skills, estimation methodologies, and other management skills as well as technical skills related to probably C, C++, and Java. And that is more, that will be my main focus. And I'm very enthusiastic and passionate in picking new skills, and it helps in aiding up knowledge and improving the training. The important part in this particular training is that I always keep learning myself, give time to learn more and more new things and new ways of solving problem. That helps me to upgrade myself, so that it will also help the students or those who are working with me to gain knowledge from me. And I have experience of running training institute early in my career. That was my the first goal. I started with that, and then I moved into different fields, working with Wipro, Intel, and HCL Technologies, and Rapidyne, which is now Fujitsu, and the other companies as well. So the training is something which is very close to my heart, and that is why the training is something which I have picked up. So, what is that I am going to train in my module or modules? As I already informed or uh, uh, emphasize on sharing my knowledge and skill with everyone, my modules will include data structure algorithm, OOPS concept, estimation techniques, and programming languages such as C, C++, Java, Python, and Scala. Those are the things which I'm trying to focus on now. And slowly I will expand to something related to management as well, like risk management, project management, something like that. But currently, these are my focus. And how it will be working out in modules are more of a concept clearance of clearing concepts, and also having some hands-on experience practicals. So first of all, data structure algorithm, where we will learn what is data type and how the data structure as a collection being used, and also algorithm first thought through before writing code in any language, and Remember that algorithms are the most important part of any kind of a programming you do, and mostly it is better to be noted down somewhere. If it is a complicated one, if it is a simple one, maybe it will be there somewhere in the code itself, but it should be mentioned somewhere that how you want to write the your code. And oops concept is something related to like it is mostly used in most of the programming languages nowadays except Scala. I would say Scala is using both functional and oops both, but mostly for big data side it is being used as functional side, not on the uh, object oriented side. But still, oops is the most important part, and here also comes the design patterns using these concepts, and that is also something we will be learning. And critical part more in the IT industry is estimation technique. Usually, we are writing code, we can do DSA, we can do oops, everything, but estimation is the critical thing. But because whenever manager asks you, or maybe the top management asks you that how much time it will take, usually there will be a standard available in every company, and they will ask you to follow that. Whereas the data over there is not as accurate as you can think of. So, with your experience, you should be having a template of your own, which will give you some kind of a estimation, at least a rough estimation that how much a project will take, even if it is agile project, how much time usually it will take. So that kind of estimation technique, like individually creating something which is having handy with you, so that you can follow that, get some kind of a rough, and try to match with what is coming out from the organizational template. And if there is a big difference, definitely you should say that why the difference is coming, and explain that, so that you will be on a right path and you give the right kind of estimation. And the most important part, besides all these technical skills and all those things, is career guidance. A lot of people think that they are fit into any kind of a any kind of a role that is available in the IT industry. But truly speaking, not everyone fit into every kind of a role. So that experience I have seen people moving from one role to other role, and I help them. Many of the people I help them to move from one role to other role, and they have excelled in the other role where they are really good at. So it is good to start with whatever you are starting in the IT industry, but ensure that you pick up the role where you are good at. Then you can excel, and you will feel that you are doing the right kind of a job. And second, most importantly, even if you spend more hours there, you will not feel like that you are spending too much time into this one. Thank you. Okay, so what is purpose of being trained here? Like, what is that takeaway for you guys? So most importantly, my focus will be more on solving a lot of exercise problems. It is not about just solving the problem, understanding the concept while solving those exercises, so that you can, while implementing some of these concept in your project, then you understand the concept and try to incorporate only those valuable concept which is really fit into your program. Otherwise, what will happen is that you will forcefully putting across some of the algorithms into your project which is not required. So that is something you should be learning. And second thing is that from the agile project, because that is agile project one, something I want to take it up, because most of the projects are running on agile. So one project at least you should go through, so that you understand that okay, how a agile project runs. So one of the important part is agile project that I will take you through. And of course, I was part of multiple interviews for last like 15-20 years. I was handling interviews. So of course, I will help you out on facing interviews, all kinds of interviews, whether it is technical, whether it is managerial, or it is HR. Any of those interviews I will take you through. And we'll try to go through some of the projects available on the net as well. So that is something I will find out which projects is something which we should look into and understand that much clearly. And also I'm looking for people who are want to be part of my group and give training. Okay, that is one of the goal I have, because I want to give it as a platform for people come forward, and as a team we can make it as a one training group where we'll train most of the steps, so that people will be learning from one platform, whatever they want to learn. And that is my way of training, and that is what a takeaway for you. So what I do in my spare time, usually I most of the time I go through the courses, technical courses specifically. I attend classes. I also go through the webinars. These are mainly to enhance my skills. I wanted to remain updated, upgrade myself on skills. That is my strength. Secondly, I go through some of the books, and I also watch TV and many series as well. And I also go out to hill station where I spend time there, relax myself. So tips of the day, or maybe you can say tips from my side. First tip is that from my side, I wanted to put it through. Don't watch too much on screen. That means TV or mobile, which is again it will eat up your time more. Okay, don't make too much visit outside or outstation, as it may eat up your savings or impact your finance. And don't go to bar too many times, because it will eat up your brain, because you will be more time spending over there. Of course, you will you will take too much of a alcohol on that one. And don't focus too much on fitness as well, because you may end up not enjoying any of the above. I mean to say, you will not be able to, you will not have time to watch TV, you will not have time to go out, you will not have time to go for bar, all those things. All the time you will be in the gym, which is not something advisable. So you have to balance out everything, including your screen time. You are going outside, outstation, for relax purpose, and also going to, like, either restaurant, bar, or anywhere. Those should be balanced out, because if you don't balance out things correctly, then you will lose out something in your overall career or path, life path anywhere. So that is something up to you how you are managing, but that is something has to be balanced out. Okay, what is that I will be doing in this session is focus more on important needs of training. I mean to say, the trainings that is important for today's world and today's time. People are looking for those kind of a thing. That is what I will be more focused on, and I will be creating videos for on those line. And I will request and like from you guys to like, share, subscribe, and comment on my videos, so that I will get motivated, as well as getting inputs from you to either improve on, or maybe focus something which is important. And that is something I am looking from everyone. And now you can put your questions, or interview questions, like you can interview me by putting some queries. I will try to uh, i will try to answer those on the comment section. And thank you so much.